As we inform you about the latest news making headlines from the country and beyond. We want to begin right here in Nairobi in Kenya, where the third phase of the second day of the demonstrations planned by the Azimio la Umoja coalition is kicking off, even though it's to a slow start. We just want to shift focus to one of the epicenters of the demonstrations, Kibra particularly, where our reporter Ode Francis is set to join us for a status update in terms of whether it's business as usual or there are various disruptions in terms of the protest. Ode Francis, good afternoon. I'm pretty sure there's a heavy contingent of police officers. What's the latest from where you are?
Yes, indeed, there is a heavy contingent of police, and we have just been doing spot checks in almost every hotspot in Nairobi. We've been in Jacaranda, we've been in Utawala, we've been in Mathare, and now we are at Kibera. In Kibera, I would say, first of all, during the morning hours, there was a scuffle between the police and the protesters. But right now, as we speak, only the protesters on the other side of the road. I'm actually standing between the road that joins from Langata Road and that is Ngong Road through Kibera. And as we speak right now, there's the protesters have just decided to barricade the road on my right because they are saying they don't want any vehicle going that side. We've just witnessed right now an army truck being returned by the police, giving them a signal that all is not well on the other side of Kibra. But on the other side, the hotspots, that is Jacaranda, we've been in Jacaranda. All is well, the situation is calm, and we've witnessed that the police have managed to take over the Jacaranda grounds. In Utawala, everything is okay, and no one is. We've not actually witnessed protesters running battles with the police. As you can see, this is a vehicle that has been stopped here. We earlier saw an army truck being returned, and the police here are making sure that no vehicle is going past this location in Kibra. We will be keeping check. We want to go the other side of Kibra to just see if the situation is calm, just like this side of Kibra. But before that, I have one resident of Kibra who he's actually saying that all that he had has been taken by the protesters here in Kibra. Maybe unaitwa nani?
My name is Jason Nyakich Oyalo. Nilipotoka wakaangalia ID ya kazi wakanipora hapo. Yes, waliponipora sasa ningefanya nini? Yes.
Unasema kwamba umeibiwa vitu vyote vya kazi.
Yeah. Identification card, the ID number which is 24 27 71 62. Akasi 20 64 76 80 72.
Unaishi Kibra?
Niko na mali yangu hapa.
Wapi aswa?
Mashimoni. Yes.
So nini na nini kimeibwa Mashimoni?
Okay, what they did, walipo nifamia msichana alikuwa anatoka, alikuwa anaingia pale SGL. Kapia msichana ingia na gari akaeka pale. Yeah.
Kwa sasa hauna kitu ambacho umebaki nacho kwa sasa?
Hakuna. Yeah. Hakuna.
Now that is a resident of
ikifika mali hata officers tunaibiwa. Sasa hiyo ni mbaya because I can give the identification number of my job.
Kwa hivyo wewe ni afisa wa
prison. Yeah, mimi ni officer ya prison. Yeah. Warden. Yes, nimeibiwa.
Now this is a prison warden who has been robbed. Everything here in Kibra while he was trying to access Kibra. But the protesters decided he will be a prey. Back to you in studio.
Okay, Ode Francis, thanks for that update. Coming to us live from the Kibra area. A relative Kam is descending on that particular area, but as he's informed us, he's about to, go round in various hotspots just to take a look at the state of peace and normalcy. We'll definitely keep you updated on the third phase of the second day of protest organized by the Azimio la Umoja coalition. But shifting focus right now, Russian President Vladimir Putin